Guys, nje in any relationship, umuntu mangasakufuni ama-signs uzowabona nawe. Yeah, but you don't have to delete them and unalive them just because abasakufuni. That's what happened to this guy in Midrand, the story that I did. So I just wanted to just let you know, Guti, he was actually buried this past weekend. Abegu said kakulu, the mother was just like, who's gonna finish my house now? My only child. Guys, do we think about the stuff we do, Matt? Sometimes it's just like, this girl, 22-year-old, oh, the way they put it, but he was cheating, this Ntswanisi guy. My thing was that, then leave. You are only 22. Yeah, you don't have to be in that relationship for the rest of your life. Although abanye bathi no, the relationship between them was actually toxic. There's a lot of stories. You understand? But my thing is that you don't have to delete people, guys. Maybe phone, and it normally happens with men. Some phone delete. And why? Because oh, I'm done. I'm tired. You know. So this is story. I don't want to lie. It's like so heartbreaking. The mom was just like, and then now that my son is no more. So bengifuna nje ukuntshela nje what has been going on. So sisters, uJoanne Mabasa is going to appear in court on the 1st of October. He did appear on Thursday. He's going to appear again on the 1st of October. We're just waiting again this coming Wednesday if she does appear and all of that. And all of that. And then at 22, your life is done. It's like, what were you even thinking? Busy stabbing people. Like, honestly, I still think this story, guys. It's been now on Facebook, even after the funeral, just been going on. I saw this guy in and this guy was even singing in some antidote. That's what it's called in Norfolk. I think in Midrand, actually. That's where he used to go in some Chisanyama. It's a kawash and Chisanyama. They're like, yo, we're going to miss you. You know, he was just like a lovely, lovely person. At 31, you are gone. Because and I think what happened in this case, this guy didn't want to touch it. He was just like, do whatever you need to do. Really, guys? Alright, guys, we can't be like this. The GBV is actually so real. In South Africa, it's actually not even okay. It's not okay. Guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Kuningi ya eMzansi, ngithanda over.